You're listening to an article by Eminent, an expert in aerospace engineering and technical consultation. See us at eminent-design.com. Aircraft equipment experiences a range of physical stresses, from turbulence and handling shocks to extreme forces during emergency scenarios. RTCA DO 160. Section 7. Operational shocks and crash safety testing establishes standards to ensure that airborne systems remain functional and intact under these conditions. This section is essential for assessing the durability of equipment subject to abrupt or intense physical forces, safeguarding equipment from detachment, damage, or functional failure. Here, we'll explore the core elements of Section 7, including testing categories, common failures, mitigation techniques, and the significance for airworthiness and flight safety. The importance of RTCA DO 160. Section 7 for flight safety and airworthiness. During flight, equipment can be exposed to operational shocks caused by turbulence, takeoff, landing, and handling. In crash scenarios, equipment must also remain secured to avoid creating additional hazards. Section 7 testing verifies that equipment can withstand operational shock, and in the case of emergency landings, retain integrity. Meeting these standards supports airworthiness by ensuring equipment remains stable, functional, and safely mounted, even under severe physical stress. Key categories of operational shock and crash. Safety testing in DO 160 Section 7. Section 7 testing is divided into categories based on the level and frequency of physical forces applied. The FAA and specific customer requirements guide the choice of category, ensuring testing aligns with the intended use and installation location of each component. Category S1. This baseline category assesses equipment resilience to moderate shocks that may occur during handling or turbulence. Failures often include loose fasteners, misaligned parts, or cracked mounts. Mitigation. Reinforced fasteners, secure mounting, and shock-absorbing materials can help equipment withstand routine shocks. Category S2. Designed for equipment in exposed locations, Category S2 simulates high-intensity shocks caused by severe turbulence or rough handling. Failures here include structural fractures, dislodged components, or material stress fractures. Mitigation. Using high-tensile materials, additional reinforcements, and durable fasteners ensures stability in high-stress areas. Crash safety testing. This testing applies forces similar to those experienced in a crash, confirming that equipment remains secured and functional. Failures may include detachment, broken casings, or fractured mounts. Mitigation. Crash-rated housings, reinforced mounting systems, and specialized enclosures help keep equipment secure during extreme impact scenarios. Typical failures in operational shock and crash safety testing and their mitigations. Operational shock and crash testing reveal various potential failures that could compromise safety and equipment functionality in high-stress environments. Loose or disconnected components. Shocks can cause connectors, screws, or mounts to loosen, compromising equipment performance. Mitigation. Using vibration-resistant fasteners and shock-absorbent mounting materials can maintain stability under stress. Structural fractures. High-intensity shocks may lead to fractures in the casing or internal components, reducing durability. Mitigation. Reinforcing casings with impact-resistant materials or adding structural support can prevent fractures. Component displacement. Internal parts may shift or detach, causing malfunctions and safety hazards in extreme cases. Mitigation. Utilizing foam inserts or shock-absorbing materials to secure components can prevent displacement. Mounting failures. Equipment that becomes detached during a crash can endanger passengers and crew. Mitigation. Reinforced, crash-rated mounts and additional support for high-risk areas ensure equipment remains secured. Rationale behind operational shock and crash safety testing. Operational shock and crash safety testing are crucial to ensuring that equipment remains functional and securely mounted, even under extreme conditions. This testing validates the equipment's durability and ability to handle physical stress, which is essential for maintaining airworthiness and reducing safety risks. Categories in Section 7 are selected based on FAA guidelines and customer requirements, matching equipment to the specific conditions it will encounter. Consulting for RTCA DO 160 Section 7, Testing, how Eminent can support your certification needs. At Eminent, we provide expert consulting to help you navigate DO 160 Section 7 testing requirements. From shock-resistant design strategies to troubleshooting issues during testing, our team is here to ensure your equipment meets both operational and crash safety standards. If you encounter testing challenges, we can help you develop solutions to achieve certification with confidence. Thank you for listening. Please check out our articles on other DO 160 sections.